Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. Today we're checking out 20 new woodworking tools perfect for DIYers to make projects easier and more precise. Plunge-Cut Track Saw. Tired of wrestling plywood like it's WWE? Enter the Ionic Drive cordless track saw. 6 speeds, 40 teeth, and precision so smooth it feels unfair. Safety's built in. Brake, retracting blade, anti-kickback. Plus, right-handers finally get a clear view thanks to the blade left design. Cutting wood just got classy. Saddle square. Ever tried marking around corners and felt like you needed X-ray vision? Meet the folding saddle square. CNC milled for dead-on accuracy, it hugs corners like your grandma at Thanksgiving. Smooth hinge, zero wobble, perfect lines. Finally, a tool that makes you look more precise than you actually are. Taper jig. The 21st century precision taper jig is a modern upgrade of the traditional design, built with advanced materials and manufacturing techniques for durability and accuracy. It allows instantly repeatable angle settings in precise quarter-degree increments from 0 degrees to 7 degrees, with an additional scale offering half-degree increments up to 15 degrees. The interlocking teeth ensure perfect realignment whenever the angle is changed. Steel rulers. The new precision steel rules with patented flex grip bring improved usability to measuring tools by preventing slipping while marking or scribing. Made from durable 301 stainless steel and hardened for long life, each marking is first etched and then laser engraved to ensure they never fade, even with daily use. Magnetic bit holder. Dropping screws like popcorn? Not anymore. This magnetic bit holder grabs screws tight and shows you exactly where they're going with its adjustable depth stop. One hand free, zero frustration. Bonus, it comes with a stainless Torx bit tough enough to handle stainless screws, because flimsy bits are for quitters. GRR-RIPPER MAX. Think push blocks are boring? Meet the GRR-RIPPER MAX, the bodyguard for your fingers. With triple force grip down, in and forward, kickback doesn't stand a chance. Clean cuts, total control. And yes, it comes fully loaded with every micro jig accessory. Basically, it's the Swiss Army knife of push blocks. UJK Router Lift. The UJK Router Lift allows you to adjust your router collet height easily and safely from above the table, eliminating the need to reach underneath during setup. Its smooth adjustment mechanism is handle-controlled and features a graduated scale for precise micro measurements, making fine-tuning quick and accurate. ETSC 2 Sander. The ETSC 2 Sander sets you free from cords and hoses, perfect for outdoor jobs, scaffolding, or anywhere power is tricky. Lightweight and one-handed, it's built for narrow surfaces, vertical work, or overhead sanding. From edges to window frames to eaves, it removes paint and varnish with precision. Cordless convenience meets serious performance. Small sander. The small sander delivers powerful, precise performance with its advanced brushless motor, offering high torque, long life, and maintenance-free operation. 2 speed settings let you switch between fast material removal and gentle finishing. Its 16.8-volt lithium-ion battery provides up to 30 minutes of cordless use and recharges in 3 hours. Wood Honey. Wood Honey is a non-toxic, solvent-free wood oil and conditioner that gives a beautiful satin finish to cutting boards, serving boards, furniture, butcher block countertops, and more. It is easy to apply by wiping on with a clean rag, letting it soak in and wiping off, with the grain becoming richer with each coat. Hand Sanding Block Set. The 12-piece hand sanding block set is perfect for sanding contoured, convex, and concave surfaces with precision. Made from durable polyurethane foam, the blocks pair with 40 hook and loop sandpaper sheets and 8 grits from 60 to 600 for everything from heavy sanding to fine finishing. Ideal for woodworking, metalworking, automotive refinishing, drywall, and crafts, the set includes 2 interchangeable base handles for comfortable use. Parallel bar clamp. The Jorgensen 18-inch parallel bar clamp delivers up to 2,200 pounds of consistent clamping force with a rigid steel bar that resists flexing, ensuring even pressure for precise woodworking tasks like glue-ups, cabinet assembly, and furniture repair. Its sliding jaw quickly converts from clamp to spreader without tools, adding versatility. An ergonomic, soft grip handle allows controlled tightening. Hearing protector. This hearing protector offers a noise reduction rating of 24 decibels while letting you stream music or calls wirelessly through Bluetooth technology. High-fidelity speakers deliver clear, premium sound, and the built-in microphone allows hands-free phone calls without removing protection. Dust extractor. This dust extractor delivers powerful wet and dry cleanup with its 1,100-watt turbine, producing 151 cubic feet per minute of airflow and 98 inches of water lift. Operating at just 66 decibels, it is quiet enough for indoor or noise-sensitive environments without compromising performance. A 19-foot power cord and 13-foot flexible hose provide extended reach, reducing the need to change outlets. Juice Groove Router Jig. The Juice Groove Router Jig makes it simple to add a clean, professional juice groove to cutting boards of any thickness, enhancing both function and appearance. The jig adjusts from 11 by 8 inches up to 27 by 19 inches internally, making it versatile for boards of different sizes. Dual base trim and plunge router. Why settle for one trick when you can have them all? The dual base trim and plunge router handles trimming, grooving, hinge cutting, and profiling with ease. Its 5.5 amp soft start motor delivers smooth power, while ergonomic handles and dust control keep you accurate, comfy, and way less messy. Palm Router Kit. The Palm Router Kit delivers excellent power and portability with a class-leading power-to-size ratio. Its efficient brushless motor produces 1.39 peak horsepower and operates from 10,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute for versatile routing tasks. The compact ergonomic design offers comfortable high and low grip positions for better control in any orientation. 7-in-1 Workbench. Why buy 7 tools when one will do? The 7-in-1 Workbench transforms into a workbench, sawhorse, scaffold, platform, car creeper, dolly, and hand truck. The upgraded model even packs a built-in outlet with 33 feet of cord. Adjustable legs make it fit almost any task. Versatility just went portable. T-shaped layout scriber. The T-shaped layout scriber is a versatile woodworking tool that combines marking, measuring, and slotting functions in one. It allows you to mark layout lines for precise slotting and cutting and can also measure drill bit diameters like a caliper. Its fine-tuning brass screws let you set accurate scales easily. Swanson Speed Square Pro. The Swanson Speed Square Pro 7-inch is a American-made tool, combining a tri-square, miter square, saw guide, line scriber, and protractor. It is ideal for framing, roofing, and general construction. It features 1/4-inch space scribing notches and a diamond cutout for easy rafter seat cuts and common stud widths. Thanks for watching the Chop Busters. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tool reviews and DIY tips. See you next time.